Okay guys, so weird intro, I know. I totally spaced out though and forgot to shoot a intro and an outro for this video, but this is going to be a quick tutorial on the eyeshadow I'm wearing. It is an affordable, fun, and just bright springtime eyeshadow look, so let's get this started. As you can see, I already have everything going with my brows. I'm using the first shade here, which is called Distressed, and it's just a really pale shade to set everything for eyeshadows. The transition shade is my favorite from my Colourpop collection, and it is Paper Tiger, and I'm just buffing that all in there. Nice and sloppy like, the way that I like it. It's such a pretty like mustard yellow. It's gorgeous and it's quickly become a favorite. Then going in with this other color here, it's also by Colourpop. It's called Flower Boy, and I'm just using it to kind of make it more pink and a little bit more warm. It is very pigmented though, so be careful when you're using this, definitely. But as you can see, it adds a nice springtime look. And then going in with the color Spice, this is by Morphe. I'm taking this on a more tapered blending brush, and then just buffing that in the outer inner corners. I really love to do this. It makes my eyes look so much bigger than they really are. Then taking Chickadee by Makeup Geek, I'm just buffing that all over everywhere, nice and sloppy, very pigmented. Again, be careful with that shade. It's very loved though, as you can tell I hit pan. Then taking the star of the show, I think it's called Play by Play. It's by Colourpop. Very beautiful. Look how beautiful that thing is. And then brushing everything out again to make sure it blends seamlessly. Play by Play is like a reflective pigment. It is beautiful. And then taking my Bad Girl Bang by Benefit, which is my current favorite eyeshadow, or not eyeshadow, mascara right now. I'm going to put that on and then pop on some Divas by Coco Lashes, and then there's the rest of my face. Amazing. Dang it, that looks so matte that day. Wow. My skin has been really out of control oily lately, so the fact that that was able to happen is amazing. And then going back in with Spice and then Freckles from Colourpop, I'm going to just put that in the lower outer corner of my eye. And then taking a smaller brush and mixing Chickadee and Paper Tiger, I'm just going to buff that out. Very nice. Nice, warm, bright look. Yes. And then finally going back in with Flower Boy. I'm just going to buff it in again with my big blending brush that I used for Spice. And then going back in to Play by Play, I'm just going to use that for my inner corner highlight, and I will also use it for my brow bone highlight. It doesn't need any water, doesn't need to be, it applies best with my finger, I think. And I just get crazy compliments when I use this shade. It's so eye-catching, and for only $5 by Colourpop, yes. And taking my adorable little Fenty highlighter. This is Hustla Baby. I got it at Sephora. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know that. I'm just also putting that on my inner corner and my brow bone area. Getting real crazy. Yes, look at me go. Yes. Okay. And then also going back in with Play by Play, I'm putting that to highlight my face, which I've been doing a lot lately. It's such a beautiful glow. This shadow, I'm going to definitely repurchase this. It is so freaking beautiful. And I also go back over everything. Well, actually, you know what? But first I'm going to zoom out because being that close is crazy. It makes my face look super round. Enough of that, never doing that again. And going back in with Hustla Baby and highlighting the rest of my face with a fan brush. Nice, warm, bright, natural look. Yes, look at me, so fresh. And then using my Smashbox water, I'm going to just spray that all over my face. I bought a little one of this again, and I wish I would have bought a big one because it just reminded me how much I love this thing. And then going back with my Bad Gal Bang, I'm just putting that on the lower lashes. I love this mascara for my lower lashes because you guys know I don't really care too much for mascara because I wear falsies every day, but it wakes up my lower lashes like nothing else. And then that's the look. Forgot an outro again, guys, so just look at me apparently, I don't even know, winking at something. But yeah, so a nice, quick, fun, affordable springtime makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.
Hold up.